As a homeowner, it can be incredibly frustrating to deal with unsightly tea stains on carpets. While tea is widely enjoyed, the stains it can leave behind on carpets can be difficult to remove. In this blog post, we'll be exploring the difficulty of removing tea stains from carpets and giving you a few tips on how to get rid of them. When it comes to carpets, tea stains can be one of the most difficult and persistent types of stains to remove. Not only do they leave a visible mark, but the tannins in tea can also cause discoloration and permanent damage if not treated quickly and properly. In this article, we'll explore the various methods of removing tea stains from carpets and provide tips for how to prevent them in the future. Tea is one of the most popular drinks around the world. It's been consumed for centuries and its popularity is still growing. Tea is a great source of antioxidants and can also provide many other health benefits. When tea is spilled, tea can leave a stain on carpets and other fabrics, making it important to know how to remove the stain safely and effectively. When it comes to removing tea stains from carpets, it can be a difficult task. Tea is a natural dye, which means that it can embed deeply into the carpet fibres and become permanently discoloured if not treated quickly. This can be especially problematic for carpets that have a light colour, as the discoloration may be more noticeable. Furthermore, tea stains can be tricky to remove due to the combinations of tannins, acids and oils. As the tannins are water soluble, they can be removed by using a tannin stain treatment, but the oils and acids can be more difficult to remove. As such, it's important to act quickly when dealing with tea stains on carpets and to use the right cleaning products to ensure the tea stains don't become permanent. When it comes to tackling tea stains on carpets, many people turn to DIY solutions. While these methods may be successful, they often do more harm. Products such as baking soda and vinegar can be used to lift the stain, but they can also cause further damage to the carpet fibres, leading to discoloration and fading. Additionally, DIY solutions may not completely remove the stain, leaving an unsightly mark on the carpet that's permanent. For these reasons, it's more often beneficial to call a professional carpet cleaner to ensure that tea stains are completely and safely removed. Having professional carpet cleaning done can be a great advantage for removing stubborn tea stains from carpets. Some professional cleaners have the experience, training and resources to thoroughly clean carpets, leaving them looking and feeling fresh. They also know how to best treat stains, ensuring that any tea stains are removed as effectively as possible. Having professional carpet cleaning done is an excellent way to ensure that your carpets will not only look great, but also be free of any unwanted tea stains. In conclusion, removing tea stains from carpets is no easy task, and it's important to take all necessary steps to ensure that the stain is removed as quickly as possible so that it doesn't cause permanent damage. Although certain DIY methods may help to reduce the appearance of the stain, it's recommended to seek professional help. With the right methods and materials, you may be able to get your carpet looking like new again. If you're struggling to remove tea stains from your carpets and need professional help, don't hesitate to reach out to the experts. We can provide you with the necessary advice to help you get rid of tea stains from your carpets, or take professional care of it for you. Contact us today and get started on the path to stain-free living.